Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paints, it's art by Donna. And today, sticking with the theme for the week, I'll be doing a bloom, and I'm going to be using my Sherwin-Williams Color to Go. I'm going to be using a white background, and this is I believe this is an 8-inch round that I'm using here. It looks like I'm at the bottom of this container. I have another fresh one over on the side here. Let's see, we need a scoop of 2 to fill it out a little bit. Okay, that looks pretty good. Put that over to the side. And I mixed up some fresh pigments yesterday and some fresh Payne's Gray Cell Activator, and that's what I'll be using today. And I'm going to start out with my Atelier Free Flow Cobalt Turquoise Light. And here's the consistency. On his bloom. Take 2. Oh, and I noticed that I did not put down my little wee pair there, so this should be an interesting, this should also be interesting. Okay, so let's try this again. And this time, okay, here we go. Atelier Free Flow Cobalt Turquoise Light. Okey-doke. This little piggy, cinnamon. Beautiful color, love that. Really love that. This little piggy ballet slipper. This little piggy sea glass. Pretty combination. I actually did some coasters in that color pink and the sea glass. Now I'm going to use the Liquitex Silver Soft Body Iridescent Silver. And last but not least, our Cell Activator. Pop some of these little bubbles in here. Okay. And this is my Payne's Gray Cell Activator, I'm sorry. I'm sure that Payne's Gray, Amsterdam Payne's Gray, Shelee Art Style Activator. Okay. Now, let's try this again. And hopefully I do not hit my blow dryer. into the paint. Okay, well, I did move the paint around. I did get that to move, so that's a good thing. Gonna let that sit for a second. Some of my cell in here, some pretty cells. Okay, I'm just moving this over here. It's not going to stay on. It's just going to give me some room to stretch this. That's all that's going to do. Won't be staying on. I don't know if I'm going to stretch this or I should just spin it a little bit. Let's see what a spin will do. I feel like I should stretch it this way a little bit. Yeah, it looks like that's right down to the bottom there. So maybe I should just stretch this a little bit this way. Oh, I don't want to ruin those cells right there. Sorry. Well, I think I'm happy with this. It actually looks like you know those skulls you see in Arizona, on the desert. That's what it looks like to me. And they do look like desert colors too. So I'm gonna leave it at this. Just see how it dries, and I'll take you in for a close-up in a bit. But I'm happy with the way this came out. I know my cell activator is working. The colors look pretty decent. Just see how it dries. Okay. So I don't know how I'm gonna, let me look for something to wipe my hands. Thank you all for coming today. I will do another one with the same colors. I'm going to try and tomorrow I'm going to use Liquitex pouring medium with Jo Sonja gloss varnish, and I'm going to use the same color pigments, and we'll see how that works out with my Payne's Gray Cell Activator. So thank you for coming. Have a great day. Be safe out there. Please subscribe. And just be careful out there. Share. Go to my Etsy shop. Donna from Hollywood. Signing off. Stay for the close-up.